Welcome to Aloft. In today's video, I'm going to show you what has become my go-to work from home, quick and simple wash day hairstyle. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Dee, and my channel Aloft is all about beauty, lifestyle, and natural hair. But if you're a returning viewer and subscriber, welcome back. So let's get into this style. As I said, since working from home, this has become my go-to wash day hairstyle. I prefer to keep it simple and not manipulate my hair too much while it's wet, so this simple flat twist style works perfect for me. Plus, it becomes two styles in one. So stay tuned to the end to see how I style it once it's dry. Now, you've seen me fighting with my hair so far, but I've already sort of detangled my hair, which is why I split it into two sections. But now I'm going to fully detangle it. And this process is very similar to my pre-poo process. So if you haven't seen that video of how I fully detangle my hair, I will link it above and also put it in the description box so that you can check it out after this video. Now that I've pinned one side up, I'm just going to split the other section into two and dampen it with warm water before I go in with my Tangle Teaser. As I said earlier, I've already partially detangled my hair, so there's not a lot that I still need to do, but there are still some kinks that I have that I need to get out before I start styling. Now for this style, I'm only using two products, a cream leave-in by Garnier Fructis, and I'm going to take that product and work it through that section, making sure to concentrate it on my ends, which, as we all know, is the oldest part of the hair, but also working it up to my roots. Now, the second product that I'm going to use is also by Garnier Fructis, and it's one of their spray oils. So I'm going to take that product as well and spray it throughout the section and just work it through with my fingers. Then once that's done, I'm just going to clip that part back and move on to the front section, repeating the same steps. Now that the two sections are detangled and the product has been applied, I'm just going to unclip the back section and comb through the entire section with a wide tooth comb, just again to make sure that it's fully detangled. This style won't turn out good if I still have knots and tangles in my hair, so I like to go another step further and just do one more comb through to make sure that I didn't miss anything. And here I'm just smoothing down the front. As I said at the beginning, I only use 2 products for this hairstyle. I'm not big on gels or edge control, so you won't see me using that for this style, but you will see me just smoothing my hair down at the front before I start to flat twist. So now I'm just going to gather the front sections and start the flat twist process from the front all the way to the back. Now that I'm done with that section and twisted it all the way to the end, I'm not going to use a rubber band or anything to hold it together. Instead, I'm just going to twist it all the way to the end and just make it into a little coil. Once that's done, I'm going to go through and tighten the twist for the entire section. And to fight off shrinkage, I'm going to take a metal clip, which is like a roller clip, and pin it to the bottom. Then I'm going to twist up my twist all the way to the root, and I'm going to add another clip there. And then I'm also going to add a clip into the middle of the twist. As I said, I like to do this process and add clips to help fight off shrinkage. It kind of keeps the twist stretched out until I'm ready to pin it all up. Now that that's done, I'm just going to move on and repeat all the steps on the other side. Now on this side, instead of adding in a third clip, I'm actually going to take this twist to further fight off shrinkage. I'm going to take it and twist it a bit tighter and then stretch it to the other side of my head and pin it down, and then take it back to the original side and just pin down the tail. Then I'll do the exact same process on the other side that's still out. I'll stretch it across, pin it down, and then bring it back and pin down the tail. Now, what I'm going to do with the ends is as I bring them over to stretch them, I'm going to replace the metal clips that are at the bottom with actual bobby pins. I'm going to replace them because it makes it that much easier to sleep on, and the bobby pins, if they twist while I'm asleep, they won't get tangled or stuck in my hair, whereas the clips will actually make it much harder to sleep on. And we're done. I'm just making sure everything is tight and laid down and secured. Making sure that it'll look right as I sleep, nothing gets squished or pressed down the wrong way. And here's a full side back view of the style, all the twists pinned down. Now the metal clips that I did leave in, those won't be a problem as I sleep. I've done this style before, so I know that those won't give me any issues or stick me in my head. But as I said, I replaced the ones at the bottom because those do tend to stick. Here's a picture of the previous time where I did the style, just showing you what it looked like with the clips from the back. And then this is a still image of the actual twist once it was pinned up. This is how it looked after I let it fully air dry. All this definition from 2 simple flat twists and 2 hair products. You gotta love it. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.